In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people on a LinkedIn post. Tagging is a wonderful way to engage with your connections and increase the visibility of your posts. So let's dive right in and make this as easy as possible for you. First things first, you need to log into your LinkedIn account. If you're not logged in already, just head over to the LinkedIn website or open the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the familiar homepage where all your connections, news, and updates are neatly displayed. This is your starting point. Now that you're logged in, let's create a new post. Look towards the top of your homepage for the button labeled Start a Post. It's usually quite prominent, inviting you to share your thoughts and updates with your network. Give that button a click, and you'll open up a blank canvas to draft your new post. Think about what you'd like to say. It could be a congratulatory message, a simple hello, or perhaps a good morning to your network. Whatever you choose, the message can be as simple or as detailed as you'd like it to be. For the purposes of this guide, let's say you're crafting a quick congratulation message. With your message drafted, it's time to tag someone. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to type the @ symbol, which looks like this, @. Immediately after typing the @ symbol, start typing the name of the person you want to tag. LinkedIn will automatically suggest contacts from your network, making it easy to find the right person. Click on their name when it appears in the list to tag them in your post. You might notice that as soon as you select their name, the @ symbol disappears. This is perfectly normal and just part of how LinkedIn formats its tags. Once you've tagged someone, they'll be notified that they've been mentioned in your post, providing a prompt way to draw their attention. And there you have it. You've successfully created a post and tagged a person on LinkedIn. This not only keeps your connections engaged, but also boosts the visibility of your post to larger audiences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to get notified of new uploads. This way you can stay updated with more handy tips and tricks for navigating LinkedIn and making the most of your professional network. Thank you for watching and happy networking.